Hi, I'm Sam from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be talking you around this brand new vehicle.
It's my pleasure to introduce this fantastic brand new Arteon R 4Motion, seen here in a wonderful Oryx white mother of pearl effect paint. This vehicle is powered by a 2-litre TSI 320 PS petrol engine along with a direct shift gearbox, and comes with optionally upgraded IQ LED headlights, toolkit and heated front climate windscreen. Some of the great exterior features of this vehicle include the contrasting black accents throughout, and not to forget about these optionally upgraded 20-inch Estoril black diamond turned alloy wheels that add nicely to the car's exterior. Moving now to the rear of the vehicle, you'll be pleased to know this vehicle is fitted with an electric tailgate, allowing the user to easily access the boot space simply via the key fob. The boot space offers plenty of room for your weekly shopping, general day-to-day tasks, small suitcases, along with much more. And then once you're all finished up in the rear of the vehicle, you'll be pleased to know that in order to close the boot, it's easy as just pressing a button. All three of your rear passengers will get to enjoy these brilliant titanium black leather upholstery seats with fantastic blue accents. Two of the rear seats also benefit from ISOFIX child seat anchor points. Your rear passengers will also enjoy air conditioning, which is perfect for hot summer days. Moving in now to the front cabin, you'll find it to be extremely modern and stylish, benefiting greatly from having a panoramic sunroof just above head. Both the driver and the front passenger will enjoy these brilliant R heated front leather seats, helping to ensure you can always travel in comfort. Another great feature to these front seats is the electrically controlled tilt, reach and lumbar support, along with the memory feature, further enhancing the comfort factor to these incredible front seats. The driver will also get to enjoy this fantastic leather-wrapped, heated multifunctional steering wheel, in which you can use to control numerous settings on the dash like your driving assist systems, the navigational system, radio, hands-free telephone, vehicle status checks, built-in lap timer, general driving data and more. You'll also be able to switch between numerous different display views, which helps to customise the digital dash. The centre hosts this brilliant touchscreen display, which you can use to access the hands-free telephone, the built-in navigational system, your driving assist settings, wireless device connectivity, useful vehicle insights, along with much more. The driver will also have the privilege of being able to select between 4 separate driving modes, which helps to ensure that this vehicle will always be suited best for the driver's needs. You'll also be pleased to know this vehicle comes fitted with a fantastic rear view reversing camera, as well as front and rear parking sensors, helping you to easily manoeuvre this vehicle in and out of tricky parking spots. The fantastic multi-zone air conditioning is also easily controlled using the touchscreen display, which helps to ensure that the driver, the front passenger, as well as all your rear passengers can travel in their own customisable and comfortable climate. Or alternatively, the brilliant dual zone air conditioning along with the heated front seats can both easily be controlled just below by the use of these modern touch buttons and sliders. Panning down this modern and stylish cabin, you'll find a sliding storage section, another sliding storage section with cup holders, along with an extending armrest that has a built-in storage compartment. And just above your head you'll find a whole host of great convenient features such as reading lights, along with the controls for the fantastic panoramic sunroof. The panoramic sunroof also benefits from a convenient sliding cover, which is perfect for when you want to keep the sun out.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance, along with much more. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.